This is the incline push-up. What we're gonna do here is start against a wall and use a box height that is appropriate, and also the surface needs to be firm. So that way, when we are on that box feeling our palms, we feel the index finger, bottom knuckle right here, and the outside palm on both sides nice and evenly. Now that may necessitate you being slightly wider than shoulder width, and that's okay. Just find what's comfortable for you. Also, the distance you're going to be away from that wall is going to be very individual depending on your own body's morphology. So Trevor's about yay far away, so that way he can get his heels and foot firmly up against the wall right there. So that way he's nice and flush. That's going to give him a nice reference for him to push his heels into, which will allow him to maintain a nice position of his pelvis and his low back. Now, as he pushes his heels into that wall a little bit, he might feel his pelvis slightly come underneath him a little bit, but you don't want to do it at the cost of overly rounding your back. Just a little bit of pressure is all you need right there. Now, feeling those points in his hand, he's going to slightly reach, and that's going to give him a little protraction, and his shoulders are going to come slightly back, but never at the cost of him depressing his sternum. You need to keep your sternum nice and up there. So just a little bit is all you need. Now, Trevor's going to maintain those hand contacts, lower himself into that push-up as one unit, and then he is going to come up once he reaches that box right there. And again, you can modify how high you are depending on your needs. A very common mistake you're gonna see here is people are gonna shoot their butt back and they're gonna keep their butt in like this hinged position and not gonna lower themselves as one unit, which is what we're looking for there. So make sure everything is falling together and rising together. Now, depending on you as an individual, we may cue you to have a slight offset. Now, you don't need more than an inch or two. This is about right. Putting a plate there so that way it's not gonna slide on this box is gonna be ideal. And everything else is the same. You still wanna feel those hand contacts on both sides. You still wanna make sure you're driving your heels into the wall just slightly and lowering yourself as one unit.